What's going on? Kyle Beret here. Uh-oh, I'm freezing. Here we go. So let's talk about this. I'm going to just put out another quick little analysis of our scalp. How we bagged another 11% just today on this push, right? So, we're hunting 4-hour momentum. We know that Nikkei market, we know that the Nikkei market is just opening. We know that Asian market is usually always bullish. And we know that this new daily we close above resistance, and now we're in between zones. So we already have the daily bias, right? Look at how the daily's just setting up. Remember on a couple of days ago, we talked about how I switched my bias from buy to sell. Well, it just wasn't ready yet. Look at the type of swing that we could have caught, right? But anyways, we're in between zones, right? And that's part of our trading plan, right? So moving down to all the other time frames, we knew that the new 4-hour was going to open at 6 p.m. There's usually a push. Price ended up closing no wick above resistance. Could have meant a lot of things, but in this case, let us know that we're just going to push up. Price wants to go to the next zone. The 15-minute, we're making these higher highs and higher lows. This is the break. 1700 is Nikkei. Boom. Pullback. Confirmation break above resistance. Our entries. We're here with our TP. So we got a screenshot of it around here, but price came too fast and hit the TP. Couldn't get another screenshot, which is fine. Who cares? We make money. We don't try to just do screenshots. So when we're looking at the chart, and we're looking at what the 15-minute did, making these higher highs and higher lows. The 5 minutes making higher highs and higher lows. This was our confirmation here. Already our confirmation was here. As soon as we hopped on the call, I said, okay, guys, this is already buy confirmation right here. But we waited. We said, let's wait for one more pullback. We had the price. We said, this is looking really good. Price is failing to break structure bearish because it's just holding. It's holding. We said that we wanted to close small. And we waited for it to do that, and it actually did. So this is where our buy started. And then, of course, price just was rallying. Only 10 minutes in, it was a 10-hour workday already. 10-hour workday for 11%. It took 10 minutes. 10 minute. 10-minute workday. Scalping. Potential scalp to swing, but we didn't hold. I just placed buys and TP with stop loss down here. My buys were here. My stop loss is here. I think it was around here. So, of course, when you balance out risk to reward, I placed 2 TPs. Instead of placing TPs, just placing stop. This is why we put more orders. People are always sending me messages on Instagram. Why do you put so many orders? Well, because my trading style and your trading style are different. We scalp the swing. If I place one lot order, how am I going to swing it? What if I want percentage now, and then we swing to the next zone? Everybody's trading plan is different. So just stop knocking people's trading styles. Of course, you can never hate on somebody's trading style. You can make fun of it. Yes, I make fun of a lot of people's trading styles, but never directly to them. But sometimes people just got way too many EMAs on their screen. They got freaking Fibonacci's. They got so much stuff going on. It looks like a Skittles box. All this stuff is it's too colorful and pretty. And all you need to know is zones and price action. You don't need any EMAs. No EMAs whatsoever. I use 14 and 50 only for confluence. Other than that, no EMAs. You don't need them. All you need is zones, right? That's it. You don't need anything else besides the naked chart. If you can't just tell where price is going, then you should not be trading. That's what momentum is. We only trade when we know where momentum is, right? You want to trade on high probability. Trade if you can clearly see which direction momentum is going. That's how we trade. Only if we know. Those of you who are new to my YouTube, this is my trading plan, my group team trading plan. My whole group and I we're on a team trading plan together. We trade the same times, the same pairs together. And these are our rules. And they have taken what I created for us, and then they manipulated it into their own trading ways, because everybody is different. And this is rule number 1 to trading: build a trading plan. So following our trading plan, we know That no momentum, no trade. Well, going down our checklist, we already had our momentum just off the daily. It's market open Sunday, daily close above resistance. The best time to look at the daily is right when the daily candle opens. So, of course, Sunday, the best really chart to pay attention to is that daily. Of course, the weekly too. Like the weekly's so strong on resistance. Why are we not going up? Like, just why would we not go even reach up to 111.46 and the next day? Maybe tonight, maybe through London. You know what I'm saying? I mean, price can do whatever it wants. It doesn't have to keep going. Of course, price never just keeps going. But when you're trading off the higher time frames, you get an idea of how you can scalp the swing. And that's what we did. So, don't really know what else to explain. This is just another analysis of momentum and why you can't stop a boulder from rolling up a hill. So you, or down a, excuse me, down a hill, but in this case, we're up a hill. Yes, we're going against the law of gravity. But anyways, trading momentum in between zones, higher time frame confirm. I didn't even bring up like the currency meter really. I didn't really. We weren't even looking at currency meter. Oh yeah, we had it on, but we didn't look at it much. See, it was just like this when we looked at it last. So maybe it's super strong. So it ended up being super strong on US dollar, weak on Japanese yen. So that's already a confirmation that with higher time frame confirm, we're just going to be pushing into the direction of the momentum. So too many confirmations. It becomes too many confirmations, which is part of our plan too, right? Currency meters in favor of the trend. So this is just extra love. It's extra bonus for understanding how to trade momentum. But this is our trading style. Momentum. So as I always just encourage, you guys can reach out to me anywhere, right? My email is Volkswagen iCloud. My Instagram is my YouTube. We're already on it. My Facebook, it's just my name. But this is just our trade for today, guys. Discussing momentum and how we caught momentum. So it's kind of hard for me to just maybe I have to use another monitor. Maybe I should start doing that. Recording a trade, go and do a live trade with my group, and then also have a trade recording. That way, maybe I don't know. I'll figure something out. But I want you guys to be able to see it not only after it's happened, but actually live time, real time. But that's just the point that I have a group, and that's what we do live. So you can only have so many screens open at one time. You know what I mean? But anyways, talk to you guys soon. See you on the next one.